Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to back up Telegram chat history. So let's get into it. First of all, open Telegram. Click on Settings at the bottom right corner. Click on Data and Storage. Make sure that your background download is turned on. If you're gonna use Wi-Fi, make sure that the slider under Data Usage is set to high. Also, for cellular, make sure that it is set to high as well. Telegram is going to back up everything by simply downloading the files. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.